Welcome to my backyard. Today I'm teaching you how to forge. Be right back. I'm back. I don't know if you guys see that.
So, we have to take here. We are going to come on and see this. Unfortunately, we didn't get me or my clear, but I will show you what it looks like here in a couple seconds. But right now, it's taking this for his clear. That I don't see. But now, which way is that? Nope. Nice, nice. Good enough to your voice. Not necessarily don't feel like it. So this is not super red hot. These are coming. Right there. These are coming on. I didn't mind. They were going to say through. They can get out. So exactly. Okay. I'm not really more about this, but I'm not. It's not strong. You should have wait. I'm not there yet. We have to do that, but unfortunately, I don't get anything playing. So we need to show you guys this little. But you're coming out. But you want it. So this is super hard. That's why I do I'll just try to shape like this. That's all one of them. I don't know how to talk about it, so we're literally burning ourselves between 2 colors.
I don't know what we were thinking when we lit the...
It's all the aesthetics.
Right.
Dark souls. If we're done, we can put the knives in the campfire.
Well, you know what? I didn't even think about that. We should put that's the annealing process. We'll throw them in the campfire, leave them overnight, and then that's how we'll do it. Absolutely. That makes a world of difference.
I can feel the ants crawling up my pants.
He's got ants crawling in his pants.
It's not funny. It hurts.
I don't want to show you him, but I'll show you me. I wish you could see his face right now. It is so funny.
It hurts.
All right. Oh, that's nice and glowy red.
Yeah.
All right, go for it, man. Oh, that's a nice little shape you got going on there. You're making a small cleaver, huh?
Something to cut the sushi with.
Nice. All right. So we know Faceless Cake likes sushi. You know what? Give us 1 second. We're going to be right back after these messages. Just kidding. We'll be right back. I'm going to move this light facing another direction so we can get a better view of us, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's a little bit better. We can kind of see what's going on now. So you can see Faceless Cake just enough. And you can see what he's doing there. We went and moved the light so that way you can get a better aspect of what's going on, the anvil and all that good stuff. That's there. Ooh, almost got Faceless Cake in that shot. Oh, got to be careful there. That's much better. So that will heat up a little over an 1/8 inch steel within probably 20 seconds. So really super red hot. So there is a lot of heat pushing off that thing. And it gets hard to breathe, and it gets really hot right next to it. And unfortunately with flat steel you have to do it this way where you hold it. Alright. Easy, easy. You went for the little hammer. Look at that.
I have more control this way.
Why don't you run into my garage and see if you can find a welding glove. And then that way I know without a doubt you'll be okay. That's a little hot. You don't want to grab the without the glove, dude. Are you okay?
I didn't mean to grab it there.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Alright.
Did not mean to grab it.
That's better, huh?
Yeah.
Now you got more control over it.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Ah, that's a nice whiff of heat right there.
And you got the nice... You almost dropped the camera there. I should have this...
Sealed a good blister for me.
Right. You get man hands, like Big Beefy here, or, you know, big guy with a beard here. You know, you get nice big meaty thick hands that your wife doesn't want you to touch her with because it feels like sandpaper. All right. Hey, I think. Cheesy rice. So you got one hand down, that's not right. You can put a winning line or something on it to make it nice. Make it easier to hold your hands, something that you can use. Don't use. Yeah, this is a nice thing. Take the option out here. I got it. Okay.
so pretty. So just like we're using this same footage for videos, we're also going to cut it out the way we like. So you can make a hotel video, or you can make a video, which you also can check out on different way. Totally my I'm just saying. So this is a competition video, video, moving our way, moving our video. We're going to post it on YouTube, my channel, and you can post it on audition. This channel is big, my channel is big, and when it's all said and done, we're going to see what's every year. Oh, well, wasn't it? Oh, jeez. That's why I like it there, sitting there.
Get it over here so that way. Nice. That's about as high as I can go without getting you. You can just leave it. Yeah, there you go. You can just leave it in there for a second or two. Where's your, I think I brought you out of water, didn't I? What'd you do with it?
It's in the garage.
Why don't you go grab that water and I'll keep this down just enough to where I can't get you. So remember, people, we're doing this for fun. We're doing this because we have a lot of common interests together. And we are doing this to see who's the better out of both of us. Either Faceless Cake or Big Guy with a Beard. And my feelings won't be hurt whatsoever if you go with Faceless Cake. He is a good kid, and I say kid just because he's younger than me. But all in all, he's a really good kid. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out so that way I don't want it to get too hot for him. Because if it heats up, like I said, too much, it'll be a brittle knife, and I don't want him to lose on a technicality. Because that wouldn't be fair to him, and it wouldn't be fair to me. Did you get your water? Sweet. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and pause it right now. Just for a brief second. We'll come right back. I'm going to go get me some water because I am just sweat pouring off me. I think I'm sweating more now than I do in the gym. And then when I come back, we'll continue with this, and I'll have my knife over here, or my little cleaver over here, just to show you guys what it looks like, so we can compare so far what it looks like.
Hey guys, this Faceless Cake, Big Guy with the Beard, went inside for a second, so now I got a chance to talk to you with this just being me. When this is over and stuff, make sure you go check out both videos. Make sure like and subscribe, hit that bell, you know, the usual stuff. But this one right here, this is Big Bearded Guy's, then this one is mine. His, you can see it's got the blade going along right there, and a little hole right there, natural cleaver thing. And then right here is going to be the tang. This one is mine. It's going to be sharpened along the top and along that side. Don't have the cleaver hole yet, but I'm probably going to put that in there. This right here is going to be the tang. So, yeah, that's both of ours. Okay. So yeah, make sure when the videos go live, make sure you like, subscribe, check out both the channels, mine and Big Bearded Guy's.
Hey, what are you doing over there, man? You messing with my stuff?
Maybe?
You trying to ruin my chances of winning this competition?
No.
Look at that knife, come on. How can you deny this knife right here from being one of the winners, man? It's already perfectly straight. It's super hot because I just pulled it out not too long ago. But I mean, oh, that's kind of cool, man. Whoa. You put a nice little groove in there for a finger. Jeez. I don't know, man. Those are going to be close. They're going to be really close. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and anneal these. So I'm going to get them super hot. We got a thing of oil right here, and we're going to go ahead and dip them in the oil and make sure that we don't, we'll take a brass file against them, and if it bounces on that blade, then we know it's good, and we can just chuck them in the pit behind us and let them sit overnight. And then tomorrow we'll come out, we'll grab them out of the pit, and we'll finish them out, putting a nice edge on them, cutting the tang down to make them so we can put the handles on them. And we got a surprise for you guys in store for the handles. They're going to be pretty cool, man. I can't wait to show you all. I need to go grab something out of my garage, so give me 1 sec.
Please vote for me. I want to win this, please.
You begging over there?
Baby.
All right, man. Let's get these going. I'm gonna go ahead and take mine first.
All right.
And put it in the fire. Just throw it in there. That's not. And it's oil in there. It's probably just right now. It's probably right now. And get rid of that. So bring this down.
I'm just trying to get rid of it. Nice hot.
All right. Now a little on. See how hot something. There we go. Get there. Nice and hot. Nice and hot. Oh, it's not cool.
Nice and low.
I need to go all the way across. Very close. There, this is pretty hot. Alrighty, ready? Woo!
One of the things to make sure when you're quenching, don't set the blade in there and hold it still. Got to be sure to move it around a bunch.
Yes, you do. Absolutely correct. I'm going to do it one more time, just because I want to make sure I get a good, nice, even quench over the whole thing. My forge isn't the best forge, so I know that the heat that I need, the temperature that I need to get it to, and the color that I need to get to, I just want to double make sure that everything's going to work the correct way. Which I'm going to do the same for his too, so that way we know they're both going to get double quenched, they're both going to get done evenly.
Smells like turkey.
Yeah, by the way, that's our old turkey frying grease.
It smells good.
All right. Woo!
Wiggle, wiggle.
Man.
You guys are trying this at home? Be sure not to catch your grass on fire.
Yeah. So I got a nice steel file right here. And I don't see it marking at all.
No, it's not catching. It's gliding right off. That's what we want right there.
Looks good enough for me. All right. Time to go in the pit. We'll bury that in just a second. Now it's time for faceless cakes. I'm going to heat this sucker up. His is a little bit thicker than mine, so it might take a little bit more to get it to where it needs to be. So, here we go, first winch. Woo! All right, looking good.
Another thing to be careful of when you're quenching is there's a chance of it either snapping, getting a crack, or bending. So you got to be careful.
After this quench, we'll put a light on it just to see if I can see any cracks or anything and show you guys what we're talking about. Pictures of the big bearded guy. See if you can get more subscribers than me. Is that what you're doing over there? Trying to steal my people? It's all good, man. Mine is yours, yours is mine. I don't care.
A nice community going on right now.
Alrighty, here we go. Woohoo!
Nice and hot. That flame didn't want to go.
Nope, we're all burning off. Alright. Going through my fingers. not that hot. I just don't want to burn myself.
Like I did. Make sure to test the top as well.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah?
You are good, my friend. Okay,
Sweet.
let's get your light out for me there, bud.
Alright.
Faceless cake. Show me your light. I'm gonna clean this up real quick. So you can see a little bit of the pitting and stuff on there, but that's not bad. I don't see any defections that would cause it to show that it might be cracking or anything. I think we're good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
All you can see is really hammer marks, so
And we'll grind those out later.
you can leave them in to give character if you want to. I'm going to.
I
There we
could.
go. Now, it is time to bury them. Turn off my propane.
As
Turn
you
on
can
my
see,
valves.
it's still very hot.
Yeah, that'll stay hot until tomorrow morning.
That's not a joke, that's true.
We're going to go ahead and bury these two, because I want to make sure that they get the adamant amount of coals that they can possibly get. So tomorrow morning, we'll come back out, and those will be good. All right, guys. So that was fun time in the backyard with Big Bearded Guy, and you had to say that 3 times fast. Big Bearded Guy and Faceless Cake. I would say bye together, but unfortunately Faceless Cake doesn't want to show his face because he's faceless. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and I'm going to hold this down like this and say 1, 2, 3.
Bye.
See you later.